look at this picture I found. Look at this. This is an orangutan named Surya and a dog named Roscoe. They both live in an endangered animal sanctuary in South Carolina. They became instant friends. They swim together. Look at this. And this is not doctored. They're swimming together. The orangutan looks bored as hell. It just like... Surya and this is, again, not doctored, takes Roscoe on walks. Look at this. That dog was so humiliated. Like... And they love to travel. We found this. They went to Paris together, and that one may be photoshopped. I'm not sure, because I'm pretty sure orangutans prefer a Sauvignon Blanc, a white wine. So, speaking of traveling, we're